So usually when the clients come to Meerkat Home, we will introduce them for the materials and different laminates as well. On the spot, we will go through the floor plan with them and give them an estimate quotation based on their floor plan. If the client finds our materials or quotation is within their budget, right, we will proceed to confirm the quote with us. Once the quotation is confirmed, we will arrange the meetings both with client and our designers. So during the meeting, we will understand for the client's preferred design style, their life habits or behavior, what are the main functions they want our cabinets to be fulfilled. Yeah. So after that, we will proceed for the 3D rendering. Once the 3D rendering confirmed, right, we will talk about the internal layout as well. Along the way, we will go to their unit to do the side measurement as well. Once the design is confirmed, they will come back again to choose the laminate. Once the laminate and design is confirmed, we will proceed for the production part and then for the installation. Tips for homeowners, right? Usually I would recommend them to plan ahead. The homeowners can start their plan around like 3 to 6 months before their key collection. During this stage, they can seek different advice from different professionals regarding to their furniture layout, timing for the renovation for different stages, as well as for the budget. I recommend homeowners to choose good quality products for a more stable and durable usage.